An important safety aspect in electrical work is to ensure that the plugs which connect your stereos, vacuum cleaner, cookers and so on are wired properly. There are several different types of plugs, but the same principles apply to them all. They take both twin-core and three-core flexes. The inner conductors in flex are coloured brown live, L, blue neutral, N, and green and yellow, earth, E. Some appliances are double insulated and only require two-core flex. To wire a plug, unscrew and remove the cover. Take out the fuse then loosen the flex grip. Measure the length of flex required to reach the terminals. Strip the outer cover of the flex with a craft knife by making a series of nicks around it. Bend the flex back and forth until the cover severs. Pull it off. Measure the length of the inner conductors so they reach the terminals with ease. With the wire strippers, remove about 12 millimeters of inner insulation. Twist the ends of the wires and trim them back to 8 millimeters with the side cutters. Pass them through the flex grip so that the outer insulation is in the plug. For more secure connections, double the wires over. Fit them into the relevant terminals, brown to L, blue to N, and green and yellow to E. Tighten the screws holding the flex grip and replace the cover.